The developing world is full of entrepreneurs and visionaries, who with access to education, equity and credit would play a key role in developing the economic situations in their countries. One of the great things about an open system like Android is it addresses all ends of the spectrum. Getting great low-cost computing devices at scale to the developing world is especially meaningful to me. Developed countries and advanced developing countries must open their markets for products from the developing world, and support in developing their export and import capacity. After World War II, the winds of nationalism and anti-colonialism blew through the developing world. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. A tin roof is one of the greatest indicators of prosperity in the developing world. We get so little news about the developing world that we often forget that there are literally millions of people out there struggling to change things to be fairer, freer, more democratic, less corrupt. Help inform people and inspire them to come together and create greater awareness to work to resolve developmental problems faced by the world. Best wishes on this World Development Information Day. On this World Development Information Day, stand together and become a catalyst for development. Happy World Development Information Day. The occasion of World Development Information Day is all about laying strong foundations that need development. Remember on this World Development Information Day that alone we can do so little, but together we can achieve so much. Think about the development of nations on this day. Wishing a very happy World Development Information Day to you. May we all come together to nurture and help the countries that need our help. We must remember on this World Development Information Day that the need for growth and development in all nations is fundamental to life. World Development Information Day helped to make people realize that information and communications technologies have the potential on them to provide new solutions to developmental challenges of a nation. On this occasion of World Development Information Day, take a step towards social responsibility and make a global partnership for development. Every day comes as a chance for a nation to change and develop, and that is what we must celebrate. Growth is impossible without learning. Underdeveloped countries can learn from developed countries to grow and develop. Every country deserves growth and development, and every country must help the ones in need. In order to exist, we need to change, and in order to change, we need to develop.